Hey, what's up guys? New video. I'm going to be showing you how to install the OEM ARB 4th generation Tacoma tow hooks here. I already did that side, super easy. Takes like 10 minutes. So yeah, it comes with an instruction manual. You get 2 tow hooks labeled left and right. You get bolts, nuts. It's seriously that simple. 22 mil for these, and I'll show you how to do it. So what you'll be looking for on your frame is these 2 holes right here. Yeah, right there, 1, 2. Now, if you go through here, the back side, you just want to pass these through onto the other side. All right, so it should look like this. Now, you'll take your tow hook. I'm gonna do this off camera, but this side is the inside. ARB should be facing out, just like so. Then you get your nuts, get those on there. And then, like I said, it's a 22. You don't need power tools to do this. You can do this by hand, just probably crank them tight if you plan on getting towed, but I don't really plan on getting towed because, I know my limits. It's really that simple. They have a black chrome tip as well that I got from Spark Parts. These I got for like 187 for the pair because Toyota was doing a deal. But yes, you can see here, I do have a 2025 TRD off-road. That's my new truck. So, super simple. Hope you guys like it. Bye.